Hello, my friends. My name is Ellen. Welcome to year 3 of Ellen's Juneteenth Series 2026. I love this time of the year. Juneteenth is one of my favorite holidays next to Christmas, Thanksgiving, and Easter. Come join me in my southern kitchen as I share with y'all some yummy recipes for your Juneteenth celebration, from red foods to red desserts and other delicious recipes. Y'all gonna fall in love with these. Let the Juneteenth Cookout begin. Thank you so much for watching, my friends, and I'll see you soon. Let's eat and much love.